independent large-capacity ink cartridges for each color. Exclusive large-sized ink cartridges have been developed for Discproducer. Because the cartridge replacement frequency will be low, work can be carried out efficiently. The large-sized ink cartridges incorporated in Discproducer contain a much larger volume of ink than other companies' ink cartridges. When printing this kind of label, successive printing of approximately 1,000 discs can be realized. As each color cartridge is independent, it is possible to replace only the color that has run out, which is more economical. In contrast, the combined ink cartridges utilized by many other companies contain 3 color cartridges in one, which means even if only one of the colors runs out, the ink remaining in the other cartridges will also have to be replaced, which is uneconomical.